In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer XLM from Binance to Stellarterm. So in order for us to get this done, the first thing that we're going to do is just head over here to our Binance, and we're just going to go ahead and open the overview or the spot. So once we are here, we can just go ahead and tap the review button right here, and then you can go ahead and select the coin. So the one we are going to be doing so is the XLM. There you go. So we have the stellar lumens right here, and then you can go ahead and enter the address. So click this one right here, and then what you're going to do is copy your account or wallet account ID, then paste it, and then you can just go ahead and confirm, and as you can see, it auto-matched that one. Now down below you should be able to see here the withdrawal amount. Go ahead and do so. Say for example, if I'm gonna do 25, I can go ahead and input it here. Now if, say for example, you have multiple wallets, what you can do is just click this one and you should be able to see different wallets of yours. So in my case, I don't really have any as of the moment, but yeah, I'm going to give you a tutorial to get you the point for this one. Now once you are here, what you can do is just tap the withdrawal button located right here, and once you've done that one, you should be redirected to a security verification page. Now there are three security verifications that you are going to do. Number one is going to be the authenticator code via the authenticator app. Usually people use Google Authenticator, but it could be different in your case. Another one is the email verification code sent to your registered email. You'll have to input in the space provided. The same thing with the phone number verification, registered or in your registered phone number. So yeah, once you've completed everything, you should be able to successfully transfer XLM from Binance to Stellarterm.